Alright, hello everybody. So here we got a ceiling fan, and as you can see, it is filthy. There's a lot of dust and dirt. Yeah, look at this. It's pretty nasty. It's pretty disgusting. Look at this. That's because this fan has been used a lot. And let me turn on my flash real quick and turn the light off. Shades need clean too, because I'm gonna check the top of the motor thing. Ugh. Really dirty, and the top of the blades are dirty too. Okay, it's like, look at how dirty that is. See that? That is disgusting. Yeah, this has, and the clip for that is dirty too. Yeah, everything on the balancing kit is really dirty. Yeah, this fan has gotten really dirty ever since we put it up. And this is a video of how we're supposed to clean it, is use these wipes. Use these wipes to clean the fan. I know these are first aid, but I use it for ceiling fans for cleaning. So I'm gonna set the camera down and get cleaning. I'm just gonna put it right here. Smell like alcohol. I'm gonna use the alcohol wipes to clean the blades, because they're filthy. Yeah, we never clean our ceiling fans, so I'm cleaning this one. I'll get the... So yeah, this is really gross. Yeah, this fan... Yeah, we use our fans, so... And we never clean them a lot, so... I decided to clean it. I know it's making that noise because it's... Because that's what... Sometimes... Because it's on a tiled ceiling. Yeah. And the fan does wobble because it's on a down rod. You guys gotta get this ceiling fan cleaned, because it's really filthy. It's disgusting. There's not a lot of dust on the motor, so we don't have to worry about doing that part of the fan. Yeah, my mother uses this fan on the medium speed a lot, because it gets hot in summer. Maybe next time I'll just maybe use some proper Clorox wipes. I'm going to clean the top of the blade. So you don't have to take the blades off the fan to clean it, you just leave them on. Yeah, I really had to clean this because it's been filthy. Ever since we got this fan from Home Depot, I don't know how much we paid for it. But I know this is a cheap, lightweight fan. Looks like this blade is clean. Maybe this one, too. Okay, Alright, I think we can clean the top of the motor, then we'll clean the shades. Yeah, the motor has a lot of dust on it. And now I'm gonna clean the shades, but with... I'm gonna get some other types of wipes. Another piece of wipes. That way the fan can get clean. Yeah, I really have to clean this fan because it's been really dirty. Clean this Hampton Bay Glendale 3. Installed it last winter in December, like in the days before Christmas. Yeah, that's when we installed it. And weeks later, it started getting lots of filth. So I decided to clean it. And I'm gonna clean this part. Alright. And there you go, all clean. Nice and clean. No more dust. And no more filth. No more nothing. It's completely clean. Like, I'll turn the light off, I'll show you. Completely clean. Yeah, I cleaned the shades, I cleaned the top of the motor, I cleaned the top of the blades and the bottom of the blades. And I cleaned the arms, and I cleaned everything. Put this on medium. Alright, that will be it. That is how to clean a ceiling fan.